One day, Little Elephant stood behind the stage. He held a small note tightly. "It's my turn soon," he whispered. "What if I forget?" His heart was beating fast. Little Monkey came over. "You look nervous," he said softly. "Let's take a deep breath." Little Elephant took a deep breath. He felt a little better. Little Monkey said, "You know your lines. You can do it." Little Elephant looked at the note once more. "I remember." He walked onto the stage and spoke one sentence at a time. Everything went well. "I did it," he said with a smile. Like and follow.